Well, skies are mostly sunny to partly cloudy across southeast Texas. Very hot day today with highs close to 100 across parts of the area. And we had some mostly sunny skies up in Jasper. Our Roofing 911 Skycam network was close to 100 up in the lakes area today. Rain coverages, though, are slowly increasing over the next few days. We've been talking about this. That's certainly some good news. Up to a 40% coverage coming up tomorrow. Still some scattered showers and thunderstorms around Monday and Tuesday. It's like the best chances of rain coming up this week will be toward the middle of the week at 50%. Could be a little bit higher than that or a little bit lower. Still looking at computer models for the middle of the week. It's still a pretty good coverage at 40% for the end of next week. The heat's the big weather story, though. We've had temperatures close to 100 in the lakes area, 97 in Beaumont, got up to 98 this afternoon. Triple digits out to our west toward Houston. Look at the heat index values. Still at this hour feels like 108 in Beaumont, 111 Kirbyville, 109 in Jasper. Heat advisory as well continuing. That'll be through tomorrow as well. But we do have some relief on the way, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. But not right now. Very hot. 105 in College Station, 100 Houston, 105 Del Rio. Lots of heat across the state this afternoon. There is a front to our north, though, right along the Red River into northeast Texas into Arkansas. And that will slag solely to the south over the next couple of days. So we do see a chance of showers in our forecast as early as late tonight into tomorrow morning, and then again in the afternoon tomorrow, with moisture levels you see pretty good across the area. Futurecast, it's going to be a warm night. We've had lows the last couple of nights in the upper 70s to lower 80s across the area. We're still looking at 86 by 9 p.m., 84 by midnight, just slowly falling throughout the night. It's just so hot during the day, these warm nights continuing as well. And here's the showers coming in later tonight, tomorrow morning. Not a big coverage, but a good scattering, especially across southwest Louisiana over toward Lafayette. We'll go with a 30 to 40% coverage. Showers late tonight and tomorrow morning as that weak front works in from the north, and we'll see if the atmosphere can destabilize enough to see another round of storms in the afternoon. By noon tomorrow, already in the upper 80s to lower 90s. Clouds beginning to thin, and by tomorrow afternoon, still pretty hot. We'll be close to 100 again tomorrow. So one more very hot day across southeast Texas, upper 90s in Beaumont as well. And at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, you see some showers trying to redevelop up to the north tomorrow, and we'll see how far south this will get. So at least there's a chance of storms in the forecast tomorrow, not like today where it's very, very skimpy on rain coverages. We've had less than a 10% coverage. Now the upper air pattern, here comes the good news. I think we'll see some relief beginning next week. High pressure that's been keeping us hot and dry over the last few days will shift out to the northwest, allowing disturbances to come in from the northeast, and with plenty of moisture in place, that wind flow out of the north, that'll give us the showers and thunderstorms. And for the middle part of next week, still some disagreement with our computer models, the GFS and the European GFS model wanting to take a trough of low pressure westward. We're talking middle atmosphere, not at the surface, nothing tropical at the surface here. And we'll see what the Euro does as well. It tries to take it out to the northeast because of high pressure off to the east being a little bit weaker across Florida. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. You see the big disagreement with models here on this trough of low pressure on Wednesday of next week. So rain chances could be higher or lower than what we have. That water temperature offshore pretty warm at 87, seas up to 2 feet. And we'll see south winds up to about 15 knots. We'll keep the rain chances in the forecast overnight tonight with that weak front coming down overnight into tomorrow, about a 30% coverage. Now that jumps to 40% tomorrow. Very hot, highs near 100 for the lakes and upper 90s in the triangle. Extended forecast, 40% tomorrow, 30% Monday and Tuesday. So at least there's a chance of thunderstorms each day. Looks like the best rain chances over the next 10 will be Wednesday and Thursday, 50%, and still a 40% coverage, Cameron, toward the end of the week. So, you know, storm chances starting tomorrow. They'll be in there every day, and we certainly need it.
We do. Just get through tomorrow. It starts to cool off a little bit.
Yeah, hopefully. Much, much better next week.
All right. Thank you, Kerry.